we're doing a what's in my fridge. So, when you open the fridge, but before we open the fridge, I need to remove this because that's a little bit sus. But, so, we open the fridge, we find pasta, baby milk because I'm expecting to have a baby. I'm not pregnant, but I want to be pregnant so bad. We're not getting pregnant. Ignore him. He just doesn't want to get pregnant. I need to get pregnant. I want a baby. Okay, so now I also have to tell you that I have some chips for the pregnancy snacking, but you're not pregnant. Okay, you know what? Ignore him. Just ignore him. So, pregnancy snackings and peach and whatever this is. I didn't really read the